One flash drive is all you need for this trick. Hey guys, it's Craig with Squappy's Videos, and today we're going to go ahead and create a USB installation media for Windows 10. Now, that process is going to be very easy, but some people don't know how to do it. So I'm here to walk you through the whole process today. So let's get right into the computer and let's actually create this flash drive. Alright, so I'm actually in my Windows installation here. And we're on the download Windows 10 page, which is actually going to be down in the description down below. And what we want to do is actually create a Windows 10 installation media. So Microsoft does make this very easy. All you got to do is click on the Download Tool Now button. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Helps if I click on the button all the way. And it started downloading here. So once it's done downloading, we'll go ahead and get that opened up. So, sorry, Windows Authenticator screen came up. All right, and here it is opened up, the Windows 10 setup. And it just has to get a few things ready, so we're going to go ahead and let it do its thing. All right, now we're at the applicable notices and license terms. Of course, please read this so you know what you are agreeing to. Now, if anybody has ever really installed Microsoft Windows or anything like that, this is all the end user license agreements and everything like that. So we're going to go ahead and accept that. And then it's going to get a few things ready. And sorry everyone, there is quite a little bit of waiting in this video. Don't worry, I will fast forward through a bunch of it. Alright, so what do you want to do? Well, today we're not going to be upgrading this PC. What we're going to do is we're going to create an installation media. We're going to use that flash drive. So we're going to click on Create Installation Media. And, of course, this can be used with any PC. Got the USB flash drive now inserted in the computer, and we're going to go ahead and click on Next. Now, as you see, it's English, which is I am in the United States. I speak English. That's what I have this computer set to. It's going to go ahead and do Windows 10 because that's what I have on this computer, and it's going to do the 64-bit model. Most computers nowadays are going to be the 64-bit version of Windows 10, but if you wanted to, you can uncheck that box for use recommended options and then change those options. We're going to click on Next. Now here's where you have the options for doing a USB flash drive or creating an ISO file. ISO file gives you the option to go ahead and burn to a DVD later on, but we're going to use the flash drive as I showed you at the beginning of the video. It's much easier, it's much faster, and even the installation goes through faster. So we're going to click on Next here. Alright, and then it does show our removable drive, which is the flash drive. It is in the D drive there. So we're going to go ahead and select it and click on Next. Alright, and now we wait. So what it's going to do in this whole process here, it's going to download Windows 10, and then it's going to create the flash drive for us to be able to boot off of. Now I'm not going to make you guys sit here through the whole time that I did. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part. So enjoy and wait until the end to see the rest. And now our flash drive is ready. So basically with that flash drive, all you got to do is just insert it into a computer and boot from the drive, and you can install Windows on it. It's that easy. Just select the option in the BIOS. Well, anyways, that about does it here for the video today, guys. My name is Craig with Squappy's Videos. I do hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed already, definitely hit the subscribe button on your way out. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications if you like videos like this. Don't forget to hit the like button as well if you like the video. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down button. Either way, that's your choice. All in all, I do appreciate you guys watching this video. Thank you for sticking it out all the way to the end. My name once again is Craig. This has been Squappy's Videos. And guys, I will see you in the next video.